Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure your iPhone supports FaceTime and is running a recent iOS. Sign into your Apple ID in Settings and enable the FaceTime toggle so the service can register your account. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi or cellular data is working by loading a web page. Poor connectivity is the most common blocker. If you use a work or school device, check restrictions or MDM profiles that might disable FaceTime before proceeding to deeper fixes. Next, focus on account and network-level fixes that often resolve stubborn issues. Reset network settings to clear corrupt Wi-Fi or VPN entries, then sign out of FaceTime, restart the iPhone, and sign back in so Apple's servers reauthorize your device. Make sure date and time are set automatically because mismatches break authentication. If problems persist, change DNS to a reliable public resolver, check for carrier updates in settings, and disable VPN or proxies that can interfere with FaceTime connections. To finish, update iOS to the latest release to pick up bug fixes and server compatibility. Test FaceTime on another Apple device with the same Apple ID. This tells you whether the issue is account-related or isolated to the iPhone hardware. If all else fails, back up your iPhone and restore it, which clears deep software faults. A key troubleshooting tip: if FaceTime works intermittently, record exact failure conditions, Wi-Fi vs. cellular and time of day, before contacting Apple support so they can reproduce the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.